In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Notion using APIs and automation tools. This powerful combination can streamline your workflows and amplify productivity, so let's dive right in and explore how to make the most of these tools. First, let's talk about getting API access for ChatGPT or Custom GPT models. This step is crucial because the API serves as the bridge between the tools you already use and the capabilities of ChatGPT. You'll need to visit the OpenAI website and sign up for an API key if you haven't already. This key is essential because it authorizes access to the functionalities provided by ChatGPT. Once you have the key, store it securely as it will be used to authenticate your requests when connecting to ChatGPT. Next, we'll move into integrating with the Notion API. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing information, but its real power is unlocked when using integrations. To start, you'll sign up for Notion's API and generate an integration token. You can find detailed documentation on Notion's API on their official site, which will guide you through creating an integration that suits your applications. With both APIs ready to use, we can proceed to link them through an automation platform like make.com, or possibly by crafting a custom script if that's more to your liking. These platforms simplify the process and allow you to connect services without deep technical expertise. In make.com, you'll set up a new scenario. This scenario will have Notion and ChatGPT as the main apps you're working with. Use the platform's interface to authenticate both these applications with their respective API keys and start setting the foundation for automation. Once the initial integrations are established, you'll want to focus on setting triggers within Notion. Triggers are actions or conditions that, once met, will automatically send a prompt to ChatGPT. A common trigger could be the creation of a new page in Notion or any updates to existing ones. This trigger will automatically send the specified data to ChatGPT, where a response will be generated. After ChatGPT processes the information, it then automatically returns the results, which are then inserted back into your Notion pages or databases. The improvements this can bring to your workflow are immense, allowing you to generate content, insights, and summaries without manually copy-pasting or switching between platforms. The final and crucial step is testing and refining the integration for your unique use cases. Every organization or individual's needs will be specific, so it's essential to keep iterating. You might need to tweak the triggers, modify the responses, or adjust other settings to better align with your objectives. And there you have it. With a bit of setup and refinement, you can harness the power of AI within your Notion space to become more productive and organized. I hope this tutorial has clearly mapped out the process for you. Good luck with your integration, and feel free to share your experiences and the creative ways you're using these tools together.